So welcome back to a new video. Today is gonna be like my first try to actually starting to flip cars, and as you can see behind me, here is my car I'm gonna flip. It's it's not the usual cars I usually buy, but this is just the point to just flip it and make money. So I bought a Citroen C1 from my friend, and yeah, the point is just to make it pass inspection and clean it up and just make it fresh. So as you can see, it's very dirty. It has been standing for many months, but I got winter tires, summer tires with really nice wheels, and yeah, and the car drives and works fine. The only thing that the inspection says is that it has like a exhaust leak somewhere, probably, because here in Sweden you need to pass a certain.
So what I mean here, you have to pass a CO test and it has to be 0.5, and this car was on 0.6. So that's what I have to fix.
So that's what we're gonna fix. So the first thing I'm gonna do now is drive it inside and just clean it up. And I'm also gonna like remove all this rust, dust. Yeah, so, and maybe, I don't know if I need to do it, but maybe I should polish up the headlights a little bit. Let's see after we wash it. So the first thing I noticed was that, yeah, I can't pull down the window, so we're gonna check the fuse boxes. So I also refilled like the scratches. Yeah, you can see it here. It's not the same color code, but it is black paint. And from a distance, the scratches like disappears. And hopefully it looks a little bit better when I have polished the car. And it's the same in the front. Here was a little bit worse. But still, when you go back, it fades away. So that still are a very big improvement. And I also have to take off the wheels because all the dust is not gone. Yeah, and I forgot to tell you, I have to change the motor for the window. You can see I've already removed everything else, so I have to pick up the package too. But for now we're gonna start to polish the car. So I actually didn't have to buy a new motor. We actually just opened up it and cleaned it, and it turned out it was just seized. So that was very lucky because I didn't get a new motor with my package. I only got like the regulator for the motor. So it's time to just install it again. So it's actually 1 week later and I have sold the car. As you can see, I stand behind my own car now. And so we went down to the lake and took some very nice pictures. I'm gonna show them here. So this is like the final results of the work we did on this car, and I'm gonna show you like all the cost and what I bought the car for, and yeah, the profit I made. But it turned out really well, and the new owner was really happy about the car. Can't speak today. So yeah, let's go inside and count how much we spent and how much I actually made on this car. So I'm gonna try to do my best because I don't have my camera stand. It's still in my garage. But so the car was $1,350. We're counting in dollar this time. Then inspection was 65, polishing 20, and the cleaning was another 20, and then parts $40 because we changed the window regulator, and then gas $10 because I had to fuel up the gas tank a little bit, and total was 1,505. And I sold it. I put it out on Facebook and another place that calls Blocket in Sweden. And I sold it through Facebook, so it was actually free to upload it on Facebook. And I sold it for 2,100, so I made a profit of $595. And for a total of work of around 2 days. It took around 2 days to do all this. And it also took like another week because I had to wait for the inspection because they didn't have any time and I was not home in the middle of the week, so I had to do it on the weekend. So around 2 weeks, it took 4 days to sell the car. So I would say a pretty good profit for around 2 weeks. And there was only 2 days of work. The rest was just waiting. And like I said, 4 days to sell the car. That's very nice. So I hope you like this type of videos. Like I said in the beginning, this is the first time I do something like this. So if you want to see more, comment, like or share the video, and I will see you the next time.